Yo, hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today it's just top on grill tag and new message of the day. So, raining cosmetics are back. Oh, let's go. Jump in. Let the world see your unique raining fashion. Stay dry, stay stylish, and have a blast with your rainy day items. The rain won't last forever, and neither will these items. Oh, okay, so I just entered city, and yeah. Oh, let's go 7,000. Well, almost 7,000 shiny rocks. Oh, golden umbrella. Yo. Ooh. Golden boots. Rain hat. Rain cosmetics. Yo. What the? Wait. Nah, I just look weird. No. I don't want that. What the? What blocks my vision? What full unblocks my vision? I'm not getting any of those. Oh, this umbrella actually looks pretty good, bro. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. And there's like a normal beach umbrella. These are actually pretty nice cosmetics, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, bye guys.